Introducing Linner Deluxe, the world's first hearing aids powered by MEM speaker, featuring a built-in sound therapy option. MEM speaker, a distinct technology from traditional speakers. Boosted by piezo technology, MEM speaker offers 60% gain improvements, enhancing the intelligibility of audio and delivering a natural, integrate sound reproduction. Get on board with more features in the upgraded Linner HA app. The mix mode allows user to simultaneously perceive environmental sounds and streaming music. The audio enhancement tailors the sound to compensate for hearing loss. It is also convenient to personalize your hearing experience through tone control and media EQ. Experience a new level of peace like never before with exclusive sound therapy feature. By remixing the streaming music, Deluxe processes the sound in left and right ear individually to generate subtle brainwaves. The theta wave in the meditation mode boosts creativity, unity, and intuition. This slow brainwave fosters a more relaxed and open-minded state. The alpha wave in relaxation mode promotes calmness, deepens satisfaction, and enhances concentration. It is an ideal choice, especially after a long, tiring working day. The sleep mode produces delta waves to aid deep relaxation and restorative sleep. Maintaining healthy delta wave levels promotes a night of truly restful sleep.